Hello everyone, this is Eric RC Monster Garage. Look what we got here today. This is a new Volcano from Redcat Racing. It's not actually a new, they just revives it. And this is a Volcano Pro brushless electric. Let's make the magic and see what there is in the box. So without any further ado, let's unbox. Okay, so first glance on it, this new body is just beautiful. Look at this thing. It's really awesome. They did a really cool design. Now I really like Volcano. I have a Volcano for about 12 years now. One of the first version of this, that is the brushless electric that we abused, and each time it broke we fixed it. The part was cheap and it was a good entry-level vehicle to show customer how you can destroy it and rebuild it, and it costs you almost nothing to do. Now on the new version, first thing you can see is the beautiful body, but there is also sliders on the top and slider here on the back. And this is really cool because when you flip the vehicle, this will absorb all the impact and it's not going to transfer to the vehicle. Too bad they did not do one more here. This Redcat, listen here, one more like those that you put right there, right here, and then it's gonna be protected front, back, and top. Anyway, but it's still a great vehicle. Now the new version of the Volcano Pro arriving with no battery or charger, but it's still brushless electric. So what they did, they reduced the amount of money it cost, because most people already have batteries at home, and then you get a better vehicle. Now let me show you guys how cool it's underneath, because it's very nice. And you pull the body out and it's actually painted silver, so it's actually metallic. In the sun it's gonna look very nice. Now when you look here, you have aluminum shocks. You have 8 aluminum coilover shocks. That it's pretty awesome. And then let's flip it right there. Then you have over here their brushless electric motor, brushless ESC, and you have the steering servo. Now those steering servo, they're still using the low weight. Let me see. Yeah, they're still using the 3 kilogram steering servo that they actually will fail pretty miserably pretty fast. So I highly recommend to change this with a 15 kilogram, or if you want something that will last forever, to change this to actually to the 25 kilogram. And then in addition, all the parts on this vehicle, that's plastic, all those, there is a kit that go for $100 that you can change it all to aluminum, and then you're gonna have a solid aluminum vehicle, and it's gonna be really cool. Those wheels are actually really pretty, and the rubber feel actually pretty nice and soft, although this is the regular tire that they have and they never have any problem. Those tires are pretty good. Overall, this is like kind of the basic platform stuff that they changed from the past that I wish that they brought back. Those bumpers used to have springs inside of them, so when you hit it, it's got kind of shrinked and expand, and it's really too bad that they remove it. I'm gonna show later on the older version how nice it used to be, but I guess it was too many parts for them and they tried to reduce the amount of parts. Those cars come actually with bearings inside of the hubs. They're not bushing, they're actually bearing. Now one thing with all those cars is that the wheels have so much freedom in it. It's very loose, and if you go and look part by part where it's coming from here. So when you change it to the aluminum system, it's actually become to be much more solid, much more stable. And this is again an excellent platform for beginners and for advanced, because the Volcano is one of the Redcat Racing car that you can do a lot with. You can add, to start with, adding light, put in bigger battery, bigger motor, do whatever you want with it. And then when you put this new body that they got on it, it actually look pretty awesome. Now I do have those available in my shop, MotoStyles shop in Granada Hills, 17540 Chatsworth Street, Granada Hills, California. Now we're here until December 1st. December 1st, we're getting kicked out from here. Paley Real Estate Company, remember this name. He don't want us here. He don't want you guys to be able to come to a hobby shop. He wants something else over here that he can make money on. He don't care about the public. He don't care about me. He care only about money. So he's kicking us out of here. He refused to talk to us, so it's very unfortunate, but I really want you guys to know why we are closing the shop and moving out from here. Anyway, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any comment or anything, put it below. Volcano, I think it's one of the nicest vehicle you can get right now for the money. We ride before Christmas. Start your shopping early this year. A lot of stuff going to be missing this Christmas because none of the companies actually can stand with the demand. Everything is about 6 to 8 months delay right now on order. See you on my next video. This is Eric, RC Monster Garage for MotoStyles Hobby Shop. Bye.